Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another wig tutorial. So we're going to be making another closure wig. So this is the hair from one necker's hair. Is in the length 30 or 28, I'm not sure, but I'm going to find out and put the link on put it on the screen. So this is the length. So it came in 3 bundles and it's a straight hair. It's super long. So it came with a matching closure, a very small closure. So we're going to be using it that way. So you're going to pin, you're going to let the baby hair come past the cap, the dummy cap, and then you're going to pin down the middle like so, and then pin down the side like so, and you do the same for the other side. And make sure it's very flat. So you're going to turn it. Then you're going to grab the middle. After when you turn it, you're going to grab the middle and place the middle down. Then you're going to pin it down. Okay, so after when this is done, after pinning down the front of your closure and then the back, then you're going to make sure the sides too are very flat down. You're going to pin down this side. You can see the sides. So after when you're done pinning down the other side, you're going to pin down this side. You're going to pin it down. All you need to do is just to place it flat down. Place it down, and then you pin. You repeat the same for the other side. Done. So now you can begin sewing. You can begin sewing your wig. You're going to take out this one and pin it in the front. So this is how it's looking now. I'm just going to start from the other side because that's how I like to make my closure wigs. I like to use 2 needles, so I'm going to start with another fresh needle down here just so I can make this place flat at the end of the day, because if I try to go like this I might have some excess which I might not be able to correct. But by the time I go with another thread and I have some excess here, I can easily take out these 2 pins and then flatten it back down before I can finish the sewing here. So take note. So I'm going to tie the knot here as I'm done sewing the closure. I'm going to tie the 2 ends of the needle here. So I'm going to cut off the excess thread.